conical flask and put it on the tray. Add 2 scoops of baking soda into the flask. Add 20 milliliters of vinegar to a cup. Add 60 milliliters of water. Add 10 drops of yellow color. Mix well. Pour the contents of the cup into the flask. A blast of bubbles coming out of the flask. Scientific explanation. When baking soda and vinegar are mixed together, a chemical reaction takes place. The fizz that we saw are bubbles of carbon dioxide gas being released.